Well, it seems like it's been a month since we've been on a Jeep ride. Finally, we're heading out. See if you can figure out where we're going. Well, we made it.
Yeah,
that's where we're at. Hey, this is an Orlando Jeep Club event. Clear Springs Ranch is private property and not open to the public. Because of what the Orlando Jeep Club does for Jeeping with Judd, they sometimes have special events out here that are for club members only. So don't come out here thinking that you can just go riding out at the home of Jeeping with Judd. Because they will get after you and Sheriff Judd will be coming. But you can either come to Jeeping with Judd or you can join the Orlando Jeep Club and be part of the family and then work Jeeping with Judd. Yep. Loads of fun either way. We'll see you inside.
Yes.
Hey, what trail did y'all just ride? The Pines?
We were on the Pines.
How was it?
Good.
You got into stickers.
I got into.
You got a whole bunch of
I'm gonna need a
hitchhikers.
sticker picker.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey.
How are you?
Very good. How are you doing?
Good to see you.
Very good. Very good. Hey, Jim, how you doing?
How you doing?
Matt?
Hey, I'm Matt.
And Matt.
Hey,
Matt.
These are both my boys.
Oh, your boys. Well, nice to meet you.
Hi there, how are you?
Hi.
Woody.
Hi, I'm Woody.
Woody, nice
Yeah.
to meet you guys. I definitely want to go to the house.
Yeah.
Oh, so nice to meet you finally.
I've seen you online and watched
How you doing?
forever. And look at that, we got GoPro too now. Couldn't go.
Do you?
Yeah. It's a 7.
It's a 7. That's good. It's got stabilization.
Yeah, I got it all.
Hey, Jim, through the Jeep. Jim, how you doing?
Very good, nice.
Very good.
To see you and Randy.
Yeah.
I really look forward to when they go to
It's
Randy. This little area is known as Two Palms. It's part of the Judd Gator Run course. See, that ain't too bad. Creaky. Just how steep does that look right now?
29 degrees.
29 degrees.
The waver between 29 and 30.
So what happened?
I don't like turning around.
Somebody said you
I don't
should
like
back
backing up. I don't like backing up.
I don't think you have very far to back up.
Yeah, no, I didn't want to back up
there,
over there.
I
And
said-
she's like, no, you're going to have to back up. I didn't want to back up.
So you should back up to align
And
yourself
you're
a little better.
This is all part of the adventure.
I'm gonna be honest with you. Every time he drives, he gets stuck.
So it's pretty
Every
good at
time he
bad
drives, he
decisions.
gets stuck. Every time I drive, I break something.
Oh, same.
Okay. We're hooked up.
Stay out of the water if you can.
A lot deeper than it looks.
This area through here is also part of Gator Run. And they call it Gator Run because during certain times of the day, the lake down here has lots of gators in it.
I just don't want to get wet. Yeah, you're hooked up.
Hey.
Risky play. We got a hitchhiker.
Thank you. See ya.
Bye, take care.
See ya at the Christmas party. After a day of wheeling, we always like to eat because we Jeep and we eat. And we are in Dundee at a place called Good Times Burgers and Ice Cream. Now, you know I'm satisfied because I love hamburgers and I love ice cream. But let's go get something to eat.
That's gonna be
We're
the
eating.
breakdown of your All right, so
Hey, you're in Dundee and you just finished wheeling and you need to have a great hamburger. We're about to put the reputation of this place to the test.
well, let's do it. I like
to
it.
see
Well, we will
if
see.
these are the best burgers in Dundee.
You'll be drooling. You'll be drooling.
You hear that?
All right, so let's go with the ladies. See what they're gonna do.
I'm gonna do a double bacon cheeseburger with lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, and
4, 6,
onion
or 8.
pickle.
Whoa, mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato, onion pickle, onion grilled.
No.
What is that?
That is an 8-ounce cheeseburger with an egg. A fried
And what's
egg.
underneath that bun?
A fried egg.
A fried egg
Yep.
on an 8-ounce.
Pickles and Dijon aioli. Lettuce. And I think that's it.
Look at that's it.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Oh.
Look at him, so happy.
Look. Insert music from 2001.
That thing is gonna hurt you.
So what's the service about tomorrow?
French fries are they're hot.
Oh, my attitude.
They're fresh.
Oh, gratitude. Oh,
Like super
yeah,
fresh.
this doesn't go together.
I don't even think I can pick this thing up. I just want you to look at the size of this burger compared to my head. Ready? We're gonna.
You didn't even touch the top bun or the pickles.
No.
Didn't even get close.
It's juicy. It's
Water.
hot.
A Diet Pepsi and a water.
It's got a good taste to it.
And the guys are fabulous. Dr. Pepper?
And a Diet Pepsi.
That's fine.
Perfect.
Thank you so much. That's the.
But it's time to eat. Well, that's it. Burgers and fries after a day riding in the Jeep. You can't complain. This is a locally owned place, and the burger was good. 2 thumbs up. Randy, put a thumb up because I'm holding the camera. There you go. Three thumbs up. All right.
The
Great.
wings were good too.
The wings are good. The burger was outstanding. The challenge was dropped. Let's see if you can finish this. I'm Matt,
And I'm Randy.
I'm Jenny.
I'm Clay.
and you've just been on the Florida Jeep Ride. We'll see you next weekend. Who knows where we're heading? Let's hope it's not a fix your Jeep video. Hey, Steve. Steve Spencer. He's calling me right now. See you next time.